Let's talk about light and dark and how light is your enemy when you have textured, mature skin or blemishes. We have talked about this before, but light comes forward and dark recedes. In this day and age, everybody's shopping online. You ever notice that you go to get this blouse or this dress or a throw pillow in a really dark color, and you're like, I love this. This is so great. And then you go to see what it looks like in a white or a lighter color, and you notice, oh my gosh, I didn't even notice it's a fuzzy pillow, or I didn't know that it was linen. I thought it was just regular cotton weave, or this is an eyelet fabric, or whatever. All of a sudden see all those nuances in the fabric that you didn't see when it was black or navy. You've all been there, right? The thing about it is light comes forward. So especially because the lighter colors have more colors reflecting back at you, whereas the darker colors have more colors absorbing. So it's not going to show all of those little nuances in the fabric, or in our case, skin. So of course we don't want the dreaded line across our jaw, but as we get older, our skin does get darker. Even though we don't notice it, we have to take into consideration things like age spots or just an overall increase in color. So we need to make sure that we are getting the proper color for our skin, and maybe having an expert come in and see what they see, as opposed to just saying, hey, I've always been fair. Okay. I've always been light. This doesn't feel right. Well, the expert is probably taking into consideration all of those things that we just mentioned before. If you are looking at your makeup and you're saying, I feel so old, I feel like this is accentuating every wrinkle, whatever makeup you're wearing. If you're saying, I feel like this is just making me look older than I really am, or whatever, like my makeup's not working for me. It could be a couple of things, but I would venture to say that you probably haven't moved up in color range for some time. So if you're looking to hide those blemishes and really give yourself youthful, vibrant skin without accentuating and drawing attention to crepey skin or even discoloration on the skin that can impact its texture, things like that, you really want to think about using color science and allowing your artist to choose the right color for you based on all of those factors: color, age, texture, hyperpigmentation, everything. That's why it's so important to make sure that you are choosing the right color. It's also why I ask my clients to trust me, and I guarantee my main highlight shade, because I want to make sure that I'm giving you the best, most beautiful skin possible.